Roof leakage leads to wall peeling and mold growth, which not only destroys the living environment, but also erodes the building structure. Subsequent maintenance consumes a large amount of manpower and material resources, resulting in high costs and risks. Faced with these issues, we provide you with a first-level waterproofing solution for ordinary flat roofs, Part 1. Regarding the waterproofing requirements for flat roofs, we recommend the following approach. 3.0 mm thick, SBS, elastomer modified asphalt waterproofing, membrane plus 3.0 mm thick SBS elastomer modified asphalt waterproofing membrane plus 2.0 mm non-curing rubber, asphalt waterproofing coating, with 3 layers of protection and layer-by-layer protection. Recommendation Reason 1. Asphalt rolls themselves have good durability. SBS modified asphalt roll has excellent high and low temperature resistance performance, adapt to the waterproofing needs of roofs under different climatic conditions. Recommendation Reason 2. The combination of non-curing rubber asphalt waterproof coating and roll material can adapt to various complex structures, greatly improve the waterproof effect, and reduce the risk of leakage. Recommendation Reason 3. Non-curing rubber asphalt waterproof coating has creep performance. As a anti-pull layer set under the roll material, it can reduce the tensile stress caused by various adverse factors on the waterproof layer, avoid tensile damage to the waterproof layer, and also have a sealing effect on the base layer of the waterproof layer. The entire process has passed professional weather resistance testing and is perfectly adapted to various complex environments. Fully in line with the Chinese General Code for Waterproofing of Buildings and Municipal Engineering Standard, and in line with international mainstream waterproofing standards. Whether it is overseas, civil buildings or industrial plants, it can achieve long-term waterproofing, protect building safety, and save the trouble and cost of subsequent maintenance. One construction, long-term peace of mind. Our coating plus correct construction equals long-term waterproofing. Please contact LubanWaterproofit@gmail.com.